Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to my channel Priyanka Edu Advisor, and I am Priyanka Chauhan, MSc Botany Gold Medalist, having 11 years of teaching experience and now on YouTube to guide and motivate millions of students in their studies. My videos are helpful for all the school students up to class 12th, NEET aspirants, BSc Botany and MSc Botany students, and I will clear your concepts and fundamentals of biology. Now in this video we will discuss MSc Botany Semester 4 syllabus and reference books. MSc Botany Semester 1st, 2nd and 3rd syllabus and reference book videos are already uploaded on my channel. So if you have not seen those videos, go and check out those videos. They would be very helpful for you. And don't forget to share it with your friends so that the maximum number of students may get benefited. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell button so that whenever I upload any new video, you get the notification first. So let's start the video. In this video, we'll discuss MSc Botany Semester 4 syllabus. The first paper is Biotechnology and Biometrics. Second paper is Plant Morphology and Anatomy. Third is Seed Biology and Plant Breeding. And fourth paper is elective paper Plant Pathology second or Plant Ecology second, that is Arid Zone Ecology. Now we'll start with the first paper, Biotechnology and Biometrics. For this paper, you will refer the books. First book is Biotechnology by U. Satyanarayan. Second book is a textbook of Biotechnology by R.C. Dubey of S. Chand Publications. Third book you will refer is Biotechnology by P.K. Gupta. In these books you will get mostly all the topics in this book. So the first unit is Concept and the Scope of Plant Biotechnology, Plant Totipotency, Cellular Differentiation, Plant Tissue Culture, Micropropagation, Organogenesis, Somatic Embryogenesis, Shoot Bud Differentiation and Plantlet Formation, Protoplast Isolation, Purification, Culture, Regeneration and Fusion, Somatic Hybrids and Hybrids and their applications, Germplasm Conservation and Cryopreservation. Unit second is Secondary Metabolites, Production of Useful Compounds through Cell Culture, Construction, Operation and Application of Bioreactors, Production of Bioactive Compounds, Alkaloids, Antioxidants, Flavonoids, Terpenoids, etc. Next topic is Biotransformation, Hairy Root Culture, Elicitation, Chemical and Biological Elicitors. Unit third is Genetic Engineering of Plants, Aims and Strategies for Development of Transgenics, Tools and Techniques of Recombinant DNA Technology, Methods of Gene Transfer. For the tools and techniques of recombinant DNA technology and for other tools and techniques in biology, you can refer the book Wilson and Walker. It's a very good book. Tools and Techniques of Biology by Wilson and Walker. Methods of Gene Transfer, Direct and indirect methods, agrobacterium mediated gene transfer, biolistics, microinjection, electrofusion in plantar transformation, gene cloning and vector plasmids, cosmids, lambdaphage, BAC, YAC. Unit 4 is Genomic and cDNA library, genetic and physical mapping of genes, structural and functional genomics, molecular markers, transposon mediated gene tagging, high throughput sequencing, genome projects, wheat, rice, tomato, protein profiling and their significance, chloroplast transformation. Next topic is intellectual property rights, IPR, ecological risks and ethical concerns of GM crops, DNA and protein array. Unit 5 is biometry, mean, median and mode, standard deviation and standard error, variance, coefficient of variance, probability distribution, chi-square test, hypothesis, simple correlation. For this you can refer the book. More books you want to refer, you can refer Bhujwani, SS and Rajdan, Plant Tissue Culture, and T.A. Brown for Genomes, very good book. Second, S.S. Bhojwani, Plant Tissue Culture Applications and Limitations. Refer this book also. Then you can refer all the Indian writers which I already told you. And for these biometrics, you can consult S.C. Gupta, Fundamentals of Statistics, S.C. Gupta and V.K. Kapoor, Fundamentals of Mathematical Statistics, and P.H. Rao and Janardhan K, Fundamentals of Biostatistics of IK International Publishing House. In these you will have some like numericals and biometrics, so you can consult these books. Now the next paper. Next paper is Plant Morphology and Anatomy. Now before starting this paper, read the books Pradeep's Fundamental, class 11th and 12th. First clear your concepts with this book of plant morphology and plant anatomy. Then you can start the book like Plant Anatomy Vashisht. You can consult this book. And Plant Anatomy B.P. Pandey. Also consult this book. Plant Morphology Pradeep's I already told you. Plant Anatomy Vashisht. Then you go for the book Bhojwani and Bhatnagar, the Embryology of Angiosperms. You will get most of the matter in this book. Now let's see the units. First unit is modular type of growth, diversity in plant forms and annuals, biennials and perennials, convergence and the evolution of tree habitant, gymnosperms and angiosperms. Second unit is morphology of roots, structural modification of food storage, respiration, reproduction and interaction with microbes, anatomical study of monocot and dicot roots. Unit third is morphology of shoots, branching patterns, monopodial and sympodial growth, canopy architecture, modifications in stem and leaf, nodal anatomy, leaf and branch traces and gaps. Unit 4 is anatomical study of monocot and dicot stems, epidermal tissue system, secondary growth with special reference to anomalous growth, structures in various stems, wood signs, types of wood, anatomy of wood of magnolia, shorea and pinus, heartwood and the sapwood. Unit 5 is different types of leaves, internal structure of various types of leaves in monocot and the dicot plants. The next topic is morphology of flowers, a modified shoot, structure and the development of flowers, morphology of accessory parts of the flowers, pollen and carpels morphology. Now in suggested readings, again this book is given S.S. Bhojwani and S.P. Bhatnagar, the Embryology of Angiosperms. Consult this book. And don't forget to read Pradeep's Fundamentals of Biology. That will clear your concepts, and then go for these books. It will definitely help you. And don't forget to make your notes. Prepare your notes, consult a lot of books for a single topic and prepare your own notes. That would help you a lot in your exams. During your exams, you will have a very quick revision with your notes. So that's all for this video. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you so much.